Hey, good morning. It's another daily market report brought to you by Mike Bjork, and it's Hump Day, Wednesday, August 11th. And a little bit of news today. We had the Fed news that came out late yesterday, so we had kind of a late rally. The stocks kind of rebounded a little bit. Even the bond market improved. They were negative in the morning. Everybody's kind of bracing for a worst case scenario, I think, before the Fed came in. And it kind of came back a little bit. So some good news there. So let's take a look at what today entails. We had the trade balance that came in a lot worse than what we anticipated. The prior month was minus 42 billion. Now we're at minus almost 50 billion, 49.9 billion. So not good. That was that's not, obviously we don't like to see us importing rather than more exporting. We need more exports so that way we have more jobs here, have more business growth. So as a result, stock market's way down today. Dow is over 200 today. The federal budget balance is going to be released later today, about 11 o'clock West Coast time. The last part was at minus 180 billion. So just imagine what it might be this time around, especially after the new stimulus package that the Congress just voted in about a day or two ago, about 2 days ago. Because the trade balance numbers, most economists are now figuring there's going to be a revision to the GDP to a much softer number, like 1.3%. Before it was at 2.4%, so almost in half. They're figuring that's going to be cut because of the huge trade balance numbers for the second quarter. And then don't get scared for the next page, but we did have a bond rollover. It's about 43 basis points. So let's take a look. As we can see, it doesn't look that bad. It looks actually pretty good, so mind my laughing, but bonds are doing phenomenal. If we had that 43 basis points, it would be over 103 now level, so it would be a totally different trading section. So what is a bond rollover? It's basically when they start each month, they have the investor buys the bond coupons, and when they buy the bond coupons, since they're not drawing interest, they're getting it at a discount. The person who's holding those bond coupons is drawing that interest until the next month, so that's why they're getting kind of a steep discount, because they're not getting the interest that's being paid on those bonds. So in this case, it was actually 43 basis points, and so we started a little bit less than what we did yesterday, but again, if it was there, we'd be well up here in that number. So phenomenal. So we're going to have really good interest rates today, and we'll see where things lie. Remember, we do have the federal budget being released a little bit later on today, so it'll be interesting how that news is taken. All right, guys, have a great day. Also, another note, I'll try to have this out early tomorrow and Friday. I'll be actually going to a seminar, so I'll try to get these done before I take off, probably early morning West Coast time. You guys have a great day.